You slept together, and now she's acting distant. The energy has changed. She's not texting as often, her replies are colder, and you're left wondering, did I mess this up? Was it just sex for her? Or, can I make her want me again, even more than before? In today's video, I'll walk you through 14 powerful psychological shifts that will reignite her desire, not just for your body, but for your presence, your mind, your energy. Let's decode what really happens after sex, and how you can flip the script to make her crave you again. Let's start here, because what you're feeling isn't in your head, and what she's doing isn't random. After physical intimacy, a woman often experiences an emotional drop. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, floods her system. But if she doesn't feel secure, emotionally safe, or valued after sex, she can associate that vulnerability with regret. This is why she pulls away. Many women sleep with a man hoping it will lead to deeper connection. But if your energy changes afterward, even slightly, she'll mirror that change. Most men panic when she pulls away and start chasing. They text more, compliment more, ask questions like, "Did I do something wrong?" Let me be real. That energy repels her. Instead, center yourself. Go back to your purpose, your goals, your confidence. The most magnetic thing a man can do after intimacy is not cling, but stand still in grounded masculine energy. Desire grows in space. Let her wonder where your mind is, not where your need is. Was sex the climax of your interaction, or just the start of a deeper bond? That depends on the frame you set. If you treat sex as the reward, she'll feel like the mission's over. But if you treat it as the door to real connection, she'll lean in, curious. Reaffirm your interest in her mind, her world, her essence. Make her feel seen beyond the skin. She's not pulling away because of sex. She's pulling away because she doesn't feel special after it. Want her to crave you again? Trigger her feminine energy. That means you lead, not just physically, but emotionally. Plan something. Take initiative. Surprise her. Show her that you're not just waiting for her next move, you're capable of crafting the experience. Feminine energy is responsive, but it only responds to masculine clarity and presence. If sex was the spark, emotional intimacy is the flame. After you've been physical, the only way to deepen her desire is by deepening her trust. Ask her things you didn't before. Share something real. Be present when she speaks. If she starts opening up, don't rush to fix, just feel with her. Emotional presence is rare. Most men hide behind physicality. Be different. Be with her, not just next to her. She expects you to be predictable, either clingy or cold. So be neither. Be unexpected. Send her something playful but short. Share a quote that made you think of her. Then disappear for a day. Let her feel your absence. Desire dies in routine. Create mystery, not confusion. Show interest, then pull back. That's tension. And tension creates heat. Yes, you can touch her again. Yes, you can kiss her again. But this time, do it with restraint. Make the next physical moment slower, more intentional. Don't just recreate the last experience, elevate it. Use silence, eye contact, anticipation. Let her lean in. A woman doesn't just crave sex, she craves feeling. If you can slow down time with her, she'll come running back for more. You don't need to beg for her attention. You need to awaken her attraction, again. And you do that not by repeating the past, but by leading her into a future she's excited to feel with you. Let's talk masculine and feminine energy. After sex, especially if you got comfortable, there's a high chance the polarity, that sexual charge, dimmed. When you become too available or accommodating, the dynamic can shift from passionate to platonic. Reignite her interest by stepping back into grounded masculine energy. Leading, not chasing, listening without over-explaining, standing firm in your values. Desire is fueled by contrast. Don't become her girlfriend. Be the man who reawakens the tension between you. If she's distant, don't flood her with attention. Match her energy, but add warmth, not withdrawal. Women sense desperation instantly. If you go cold, she closes completely. But if you mirror her pullback with a calm, confident tone, and then lead softly with a check-in, a lighthearted message, or an inside joke, you reintroduce connection without pressure. Energy mirroring says, I see you. I get it. But I'm still here, solid. That's comforting and attractive. Curiosity is the seed of renewed desire. Post-sex, things can feel predictable. You stop being mysterious. You stop surprising her. Reverse that by doing something unexpected. Take up something new, post intriguing updates, share less about your day-to-day. When she has to wonder about you again, she has to feel again. Curiosity brings her attention back to you. Physical tension isn't just about sex, it's about restraint. If you re-enter physical closeness too quickly, she won't feel the emotional arc of build-up. Instead, flirt lightly. Touch her hand briefly. Compliment something subtle. Give her a hug that lingers just half a second too long, and then pull back. Make her miss the touch, not just receive it. That contrast builds longing again. She may have built a narrative in her mind. He was nice, the sex was okay, but we don't have long-term spark. You have to disrupt that loop. How? Humor. A totally different vibe. Vulnerability she didn't expect. A conversation that takes her somewhere deeper than she predicted. People stay stuck in patterns until something shocks them emotionally. Become the emotional plot twist. One mistake men make is acting weird after sex, like you're unsure if you should reach out, or overthink everything. Instead, bring it up casually, warmly. Not joking, not awkward. Last night with you was incredible. Or even better, follow it with something emotionally grounded. It made me realize how much I value feeling close to someone, not just physically, but mentally. Own the moment without pressure. It shows maturity, not clinginess. Here's the deepest truth. Attraction is her experience. You can't force it, but you can reflect it back to her. Bring up little details about what she did, said, or how she made you feel. I still remember the way you looked at me that night. No one's ever looked at me like that. You're not trying to get her back. You're inviting her to remember who she was when she was most alive around you. So here's the truth. Getting her back isn't about tactics or tricks. It's about becoming the kind of man who stirs her spirit, not just her body. Don't chase her. Awaken her curiosity. Don't pressure her. Rekindle the tension. Don't apologize for sleeping with her. Honor the moment and give her space to miss you. If this video gave you clarity, don't just watch and forget. Like, comment, and subscribe for more real-world insight into women, attraction, and emotional connection. This channel is about women, sex, and sexuality, where we help you master the quiet art of desire, one real connection at a time.